Aboru aboye, aboshishe. This is Chief Oluwole Abiomi Ifakunle Adetutu Irankulu de Manyansa, coming to you to discuss the Odu of Iwori Ogbe. There was a time in which all the divinities from heaven were coming from heaven to earth, and before they could come, they had to go to a place called Oko. And the man who was there was called Oloko. He was the owner of hoes. It was a place where all human beings and all people, divinities, had to go before they came to earth to be able to fill their losses. Orunmila, unlike all the other divinities, decided to stay back, and he was told that a lazy man in heaven was going to be a successful man on earth. After he'd done his rituals, he went to the place of Oloko, and the divine had told him, never dig a hole too deep that you can't fill.